Hey guys, this is Ben the Raider, and today I'm going to show you how to paint your electric airsoft rifle camo as I've done here. First, I start out with 3 colors: khaki, olive green, and brown, just brown. Make sure you get Krylon camouflage because it works a lot better than what you'd usually get. First, I'm going to start off. A lot of people won't do this, but I just like doing it. Putting on a base coat because I think it looks a lot better. Oh, and make sure you use your khaki spray paint. After you're done painting this base coat and you have like all your colors like that done, you're going to want to move your safety switch and then spray onto the part that you didn't get. You don't have to be too critical on your base coat due to the fact that you're going to be adding brown and your olive green later, which will probably cover a lot of it up, but you still want to get most of it. Not unless you want a lot of brown or a lot of olive green. Let me just walk around and see if I miss anything. That's what your gun should look like after your base coat. Next, I'm going to add our olive green. Just want to do a simple stripe, just like this. Just a really quick stripe. If you're doing your clip, you also want to spray paint your clip too. That's all that we need to add for right now. We might want to come back a little bit later, add a little bit more green to balance it out. Next, for the brown, you're going to do the same thing, only I suggest going about halfway in between each of your green lines. no, I just messed it up. Here's something else we're going to teach you. We're going to teach you how to problem solve. What do I want to do? I think, yeah, let's just wait till that's dry. Then we're just going to spray over it again. Oh, there we go. I am probably doing this completely wrong, but I just want to get some of this off. Okay. Let's try to spray paint it now. This is our khaki. This is our khaki. Okay, that was a little bit of spray paint fail for a little bit. Something to laugh about. So we're pretty much done with the gun part. We're just trying to get the clip working. Okay. Hopefully that's enough time. This is our brown. We don't want it brown. Screw it. It's going to look a little bad. Either way you do it. We're just gonna add a little bit more brown. Hopefully yours will turn out better than mine. The other side of the clip is much better than this. That's good enough for right now. I'll probably come back later on and try to fix that a little bit. You can plainly see it's not the best looking clip ever. Kind of sucks. But the gun does look pretty good. Scope it out, just simple lines going across the gun. For me, I'm covering the orange cap because I'm a pretty heavily populated area. So it's easier if they can identify that's an airsoft gun. Other than that, just if you're using an electric gun, because the battery's right in there for me, you want to take and cover with masking tape any exposed wiring. Like if you have some copper wiring, pretend this is the hammer's the copper wiring right here. Just all you do, I probably don't even have to tell you that, it's fixed. That's all you need to do. Same thing where you plug the battery in. You want to also use tape for that, just so you don't get any spray paint in there and be a little cautious. Hopefully I'll be in different videos telling you how to paint other airsoft guns. See you later, bye.